World leaders from American President Joe Biden to French President Emmanuel Macron to India's President Draupadi Murmu joined members of the public in observing a 2-minute silence in memory of Queen Elizabeth II as the funeral service ended with the recitation of God Save the King, the reworded national anthem, on Monday. The coffin of the longest-serving monarch of the United Kingdom was carried at Westminster Abbey in London today with the royal family members and top world leaders in attendance. Queen Elizabeth II died on September 8th at Balmoral Castle in Scotland. It is the first state funeral in the UK since Winston Churchill's in 1965. Numerous guests ranging from political heads of countries to distinct royal family members and dignitaries from across the world landed in the UK for the funeral of Queen Elizabeth II. A state funeral means that the UK government has officially declared the day of the funeral as a bank holiday. The Queen was born on April 21, 1926 in Mayfair, London.